Just one simple addition to your daily routine can dramatically transform your health in just 14 days. It's something so basic and natural, yet backed by science as a true powerhouse for your heart, brain, skin, and more. And the surprising part is that most people underestimate its impact or use it wrong altogether. Could this golden liquid be the game changer you've been missing? By the end of this video, you'll understand why this one small habit can lead to massive health benefits you've never imagined. Welcome to Levitas. Does consuming it for 14 days impact heart health? Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most heart-friendly foods on the planet, and after just 14 days of daily consumption, the benefits become noticeable. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, extra virgin olive oil improves cholesterol profiles by raising HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol. This shift reduces plaque buildup in arteries, ensuring smoother blood flow and decreasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Extra virgin olive oil also boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties, primarily thanks to its phenolic compounds like oleocanthal. These compounds reduce inflammation in the cardiovascular system, a major factor in heart disease. By consuming it regularly, you actively decrease oxidative stress, which otherwise damages blood vessels over time. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil helps regulate blood pressure. Studies have shown that its high content of polyphenols supports the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing hypertension. In just 2 weeks, you may experience better blood pressure readings, improved energy, and a reduced risk of cardiovascular problems. Extra virgin olive oil works behind the scenes to build a stronger, healthier heart, 1 tablespoon at a time. What occurs in your brain after 14 days of consumption? Your brain thrives on healthy fats, and extra virgin olive oil provides the perfect source. In just 14 days, regular extra virgin olive oil consumption begins to enhance cognitive function and memory. This effect is largely due to oleic acid and polyphenols, which shield the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It contains compounds that help maintain the integrity of your brain's blood vessels, ensuring consistent oxygen and nutrient delivery. Over time, this improves focus, mental clarity, and reaction time. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce neuroinflammation, a factor linked to cognitive decline and mood disorders. Furthermore, extra virgin olive oil boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the growth and survival of new neurons. This is crucial for memory retention and adaptability as you age. Studies even suggest that it enhances the brain's ability to clear out beta-amyloid plaques, the sticky proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. After just 14 days of adding extra virgin olive oil to your diet, you might notice sharper thinking, improved mood, and a sense of mental vitality that feels like a reset for your mind. Can 14 days improve digestion and gut health? Your digestive system loves extra virgin olive oil, and the results of 14 days of regular consumption can be remarkable. It's a natural lubricant for the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion and preventing constipation. Its anti-inflammatory compounds soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, reducing irritation caused by conditions like gastritis or acid reflux. Extra virgin olive oil is also a prebiotic, meaning it nourishes the good bacteria in your gut microbiome. A balanced microbiome plays a critical role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Over 2 weeks, you might notice reduced bloating, better nutrient absorption, and fewer digestive discomforts. The oleic acid in extra virgin olive oil has been shown to improve bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats and supporting liver health. Its antimicrobial properties can also help combat harmful bacteria like H. pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers. After just 2 weeks, many report feeling lighter, more comfortable, and energized as their digestive systems become more efficient. Extra virgin olive oil doesn't just support your gut, it lays the foundation for overall health and vitality. Does consuming it for 14 days affect skin health? Your skin reflects what you eat, and extra virgin olive oil benefits shine through after just 14 days. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, extra virgin olive oil combats free radicals that cause premature aging. It hydrates skin from the inside out, improving elasticity and reducing dryness. The anti-inflammatory properties of extra virgin olive oil can also alleviate conditions like eczema and acne by calming irritated skin. Additionally, its fats support cell regeneration, giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow. With consistent use, you'll notice smoother, healthier-looking skin that feels as good as it looks. Think fat makes you gain weight. Not this kind of fat. Extra virgin olive oil is a secret weapon for sustainable weight management, even after just 14 days of use. Its monounsaturated fats are highly satiating, meaning you'll feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. It also boosts your metabolism. The oleic acid it contains is converted into a compound called ol-ethanolamide in the gut, which signals to your brain that you're full, helping you to naturally eat less. What's more, extra virgin olive oil reduces inflammation, which can interfere with weight loss by impairing hormonal balance. By calming your system, extra virgin olive oil helps regulate hormones like insulin, improving blood sugar control and reducing fat storage. Research shows that incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your meals can promote fat loss, particularly in the abdominal area. In just 2 weeks, you might notice subtle changes in how your clothes fit and how your body feels, proof that it isn't just healthy, but also supportive of your weight goals. Can it improve joint health in 14 days? Extra virgin olive oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory for your joints, providing relief after just 14 days. Its powerful polyphenols, especially oleocanthal, mimic the effects of ibuprofen, reducing pain and swelling without side effects. Extra virgin olive oil also promotes cartilage repair by supplying essential nutrients that protect joint tissues from wear and tear. By lubricating joints and reducing stiffness, it helps improve mobility and comfort. Whether you're active or dealing with conditions like arthritis, extra virgin olive oil daily use can make a noticeable difference in your joint health in just 2 weeks. What happens to your immune system after 14 days? Your immune system gets a robust boost from 14 days of extra virgin olive oil consumption. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, it strengthens your body's defenses at the cellular level. Its polyphenols, particularly hydroxytyrosol, enhance the activity of immune cells, helping them identify and destroy harmful pathogens more efficiently. Extra virgin olive oil also reduces chronic inflammation, a condition that weakens immunity and underlies many illnesses. By calming this silent fire in your body, it frees up your immune system to focus on real threats, such as viruses and bacteria. Additionally, it supports gut health, which is closely tied to immune function. A healthy gut microbiome, nurtured by extra virgin olive oil, produces beneficial compounds that regulate immune responses and prevent overreactions like allergies or autoimmune issues. Over 2 weeks, these benefits accumulate, leading to fewer illnesses, faster recovery, and a stronger, more resilient immune system. Extra virgin olive oil doesn't just enhance your health, it equips your body to defend itself better than ever. In conclusion, in just 14 days, extra virgin olive oil proves itself as a powerhouse for health. It transforms heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing arterial inflammation, and lowering blood pressure, creating a strong foundation for cardiovascular wellness. Simultaneously, your brain reaps the rewards with sharper cognitive function, improved memory, and protection against neurodegeneration, thanks to its antioxidants and polyphenols. Digestion becomes smoother as it nurtures gut health, reduces inflammation, and enhances nutrient absorption. Skin glows with hydration and elasticity, while joints feel relief from inflammation and stiffness. On the weight management front, it boosts satiety, metabolism, and hormonal balance, helping shed stubborn fat. Finally, extra virgin olive oil fortifies the immune system, reducing chronic inflammation and enhancing its ability to combat threats. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.